Jerry Service Center here again. Today we're working on our Tucson 2015. We're changing the radiator. The radiator has a leak. So this is what it entails of to change the radiator. The front have to come off, the bumper. So we have new radiators in stock for a lot of vehicles, all the new vehicles, Hyundai Tucson. We have an Elantra on the back there. We're changing the rear control arm bushings. Now that bushing has caused a noise and rough. It have some in the front and some in the rear. So if you take a look here, the whole rear end is removed from this vehicle. No wheel, no hub, no brakes. The whole rear banjo. I'll give you a look at that just now, show you how that is look. So that come out from this vehicle here, Elantra, right? And this is a 2012 Elantra, and we're going to replace those bushings. Nissan Cube overheating problem, thermostat stuck. So we're going to remove the thermostat from this engine and get it working back again. We test all the fans working, coolant good, no leaks. So we're going to remove the thermostat and put a new thermostat on the system. On this Corolla Axio, a complete service, front brakes, rear brakes, and a water leak. We're repairing that on this Axio. We also have a Suzuki new model Grand Vitara. Doing a transmission flush where we're using the machine and purging all the transmission fluid, front brake, rear brakes, service, complete on this Suzuki Grand Vitara. On the ramp there, on the alignment ramp, we have an accent, doing camber and alignment, do complete shocks and stuff on that. So this is the rear end for the Elantra, complete. Right, you got this is complete with this housing the brake disc, brake shoes. This is the rear shock, rear control arm. So this is the bushing here going to be replaced, right? And complete housing assembly come out to change that bushing. That's on the Elantra 2010 to 2012. So repairs on Hyundai Kias, give us a call at Jerry Service Center in Chase Village, 6710713 or 7309449 or 7